Ready to turn practice into progress? Let's play this song together. If you haven't learned this yet, check out the step-by-step tutorial video link right here. And now, let's get playing! Alright, so for the practice track, let's try something different. I'm going to play one bar and then you are going to repeat after me one bar. So you wait for me to play and then you're going to repeat after me, okay? Ready? 1, 2, first bar go. 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 1, 2, and your turn. 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. Bar 2, my turn. 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Get ready. Your turn. Bar 2. 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Bar 3, my turn. 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2. Your turn. 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2. My turn. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. Your turn. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. My turn. Next bar. 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Your turn. Ready, go. 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. My turn. Next bar. 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Your turn. Ready, go. 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. My turn. Next bar. 2, 2, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3. Your turn. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 2, 3. My turn. 4, 4, 4. Ready? Your turn. Let's go. 4, 4, 4. Next bar, my turn. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4. Ready? Your turn. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4. My turn. 3, 3, 3, 2, 1. Ready? Your turn. 3, 3, 3, 2, 1. Get ready, my turn. Finger 4 on SE. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5. Your turn. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5. Next bar, my turn. 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Your turn. Get ready and go. 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. My turn. Next bar. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 2. Your turn. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 2. My turn. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. Get ready. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. My turn. One more bar. 5, 5, 5, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your turn. 5, 5, 5, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. My turn. Last note. F. Your turn. And we go F. Yeah. Alright, so let's try the full song together. Ready? 1, 2, finger 4 on F. Ready, go. 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. And 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Finger 2 on G. 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. Again. 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. And 2, 2, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4. And we go. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 4, 3, 3, 3, 2, 1, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, get your turn. 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. 5, 5, 5, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. From the start. 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Finger 2 on G. 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. Again. 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Finger 2 on G. 2, 2, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. Hey there, thanks for watching and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe and I will see you in the next video.